Hi, I'm Laura from Robert's Floral, and I am going to show you a bunch of reasons why you should attend our 61st annual Christmas open house. We have beautiful trees, like this gorgeous white peaceful tree. It's a 9-foot if you need a 9-foot tree for the perfect narrow little spot. We also have tons of birch in a few different sizes. It's beautiful birch from Minnesota. I think super cute red trucks. They have magnets and you can change it. This is Christmas, there's fall, and there's every day. And it is one of our open house specials, so it's an amazing deal. Come in and get a few. You love beautiful linens? Oh my gosh, I do. Look at these amazing, gorgeous linens and different things for tables, dressers, anything. Come on in and check them out. Buffalo plaid, come on in. I have it in dressers, scarves, I have it in trees. There's a lot of really cool buffalo plaid for you buffalo plaid lovers. We got you covered. Come in and buy some Hammond's candy canes. They're made in the US in Colorado. Perfect stocking stuffers. Or put them on a tree. Gnomes. Trees.